Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I straightened my niece's hair recently, and honestly I was not ready for this at all, but this was something that she wanted and her mom wanted to do for her birthday. So if you want to see the process and her results, then just keep on watching. To start off, I washed her hair with the Garnier Fructis Clean and Fresh shampoo, and then I followed up with the conditioner. Next, I used the Garnier hair treats, and what's great about this product is that you can use it as a mask, a treatment, and leave-in conditioner. So I'm just evenly distributing some of the product throughout her hair for added moisture and softness. To help her hair stretch out, I twisted it and then I put it back into one, and I let it partially air dry, and then I blow dried the rest. Now that her hair has fully air dried and stretched out, I'm just going to detangle it with my Tangle Teaser brush. Then I'm going to spray some heat protectant all over her hair. Next, I'm going to be working with smaller sections, so I'm just going to part her hair in half. I'll be using the Irresistible Me Diamond Flat Iron, and I have done a review on this, so I'll leave a link for that and more information down below. To straighten her hair, I'll be doing the chase method, so I'm just going to be using my Tangle Teaser brush, and I put it pretty close to the roots, and then I'm just going to put in the straightener and go slowly down, and I'm using 330 degrees heat. So again, I'm just going to comb her hair through, then put the brush pretty close to her roots, and then I'm just going to go slowly all the way down. I'm done straightening her hair, I'm just going to give her a little trim because I haven't trimmed her hair in a little while, and this is going to help to polish off the look.
Comment, like, and subscribe.